what day today, love?
15. May.
15 of May, and we're going to Sydney. And I'll see you later, guys, when we get to Sydney. See ya.
Yeah, this is the parking lot.
My God, it's very, my love, it's very low. My God.
11.
Oh my God. What is that?
310.
Yep, 310. Maybe here. 36.
This one.
35. That one. Ay, dito na kami, guys. Look at the hotel, guys. And, ay, hindi pala makikita. Ayan. Yan siya. Ayan. Ooh, ang ginabesh. So, see ya. Hi guys! Ayan, so dito na kami sa Sydney, guys, and andito na kami sa room namin. Ayan, ito yung room. Tapos, ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung andun sa room. Ayan, ano tawag doon? Tour. Mag-room tour. Room tour. Ayan, so, ayan guys. Parang ang ingay ni Greg. So, ayan, pasok na tayo. Right. Sa pagpasok niyo, guys, ayan si my love, and meron silang cabinet dito. Ayan, my bathrobe, ayan, my blanket, and my dalawang slippers. Ayan. Ayan, maganda siya, guys. Tapos, meron din dito. Open nga natin to. Para saan ba yan? So, ayan. Meron siyang ano ba yan? Ayan. Chocolate chip. Sea salted. And meron sa, guys, armband. Hi! Tapos, may bolt sila. May safe sila dyan, guys. May fridge. Ayan yung laman. Tapos, nandito, guys, is yung toilet. Ayan yung toilet nila, guys. Ilang shower. Shower nila yan. Tapos, ayan. Ayan. Hi! Tapos, may ano sila dito, guys. Ayan. Ayan, body wash, conditioner, ayan. And shower cup, sanitary bag. Ayan. So, ano ba dito, guys? Blower. So, ayan, guys. Ito yun siya. Tapos dyan. Oh, mirror. Mirror. Dyan may coffee sila, guys. May coffee. Coffee, tea. Ayan. Green tea. English tea. English breakfast pala yun. And peppermint infusion. Parang tea ata to eh. So, ayan. Tapos ito, walay. Ayan. Tapos yung room. The wanna smile. Ayan. Tapos may balcony sila dito, guys. Oh my God! This is the view, guys. Ayan. Sama meron din dyan. Oh my God! Nakakano yung ano sa ilalim. Ayan. Ano, tapos makikita nyo, guys, andoon yung Sydney. Ang dagat, guys. Ayan, ano. Oh my God. Ayan.
I'm going to go down and get my glasses. My glasses are still in the car.
Okay.
I'll be back soon.
Okay. So, ayan lang siya, guys. Ang aming, ano, bed. Ayan. So, ano daw to siya? 150. Ayan, 150 daw to yung room. So, isang gabi lang kami dito, guys. And, ayun. Yun! Ang ganda doon, oh. Ang ganda. Pag titingnan mo siya dito, is ano siya? Ang ano niya, yung parang, ano ba, sobrang klaro niya, guys. Pero pag sa kamerang layo naman, eh. So, yun, guys. And, yun. See ya! So, ayan si sir, guys. Not feeling well kasi naulanan. Naulan kasi nung umuwi na siya. So, ayan, napahinga. Hi, guys! So, we're going home. I'm going home. Ba yung buhok ko eh. Hi, Mala. Oh, it's very brown. It's not big. It's not
big.
It's not. It's pretty. It's pretty.
Yes. Yeah.
We're going to basement. Yep, here. And so we're going. Yung garage nila, guys,
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Walang katao-tao, guys. Ayan. Walang nagpa-park. Ayan. So, ayan. The room.
Oh no, but I've got the two little cabs.
Okay. So, hi guys. Ayan, so mag-check out lang. Ayan, doon si... Hindi ba nakikita? Ayan. Andun si sir. Ayan. Hindi ata nakikita. Pero, ayan. Andun siya, guys. And, parang ang parang kapal ng kilay ko. Pero bahala na si Batman talaga ng kilay natin, guys. Hello, hindi klaro. Bakit? Ano ba yan? Ano ba nangyayari? So, uwi na kami today, guys. And, feeling okay naman si Mr. And, Kagabi pala guys, is nakatulog din siya ng ano, pero nagising siya ilang oras ba yun? Kasi and he fall asleep again. So that's good. And we're going home. But before we going home, we're gonna go Asian store on the way home. Okay, so yeah. Hi guys, ayan, nakauwi na kami. And ayan, Missy. Tapos, ayun yung bag namin, guys. At nag-grocery din kami. Ayan. So, ayan. So, I'll see you later. Hi, guys. Ayan, nakauwi na kami. And, ayan. Missy. Tapos, ayun yung bag namin, guys. At nag-grocery din kami. Ayan. So, ayan. So, I'll see you later. Ayan guys, mag-haul muna tayo guys. Mag-haul ng aming nabili. Ayan, so kakauwi lang namin. Ayan, pero parang makapal ang kilay ko, no? Pero bahala sa ba't naman. So ayan, bumili kami ng dalawang tissue. Dalawa siya guys. Ayan, dalawa. Tapos, beef. Naka-special siya, guys. Ayan. Special. Ayan. Pork chop. Special din siya. Diba? Ay, oats. Ayan. Sabi sa oats. Eggs, guys. Eggs. Well, okay lang yung eggs, no? Ayan, okay naman yung ating eggs. Onion. Garlic. And milk. 2 milk, guys. 2 milk. And yung fabric natin guys, kasi wala na siya. Tapos bumili kami ng toilet paper. Toilet na. Paper towel. Meron pa naman kami guys. So ayan. Malaki. So wala kasing ganitong kalaki. Tapos wala na yung brand na same dyan guys. So ito yung naano namin. So kinuha na lang namin yung isa. Tapos sa Asian store guys, ayan, bumili ulit ako. Ayan. Wala yung red guys, ito lang, garlic flavor. Wala ding iba, ito lang yung ano nila guys, dried fish. Ayan. Tunsui. Ayan. Magic sarap, dalawa. And hot and spicy century tuna. Then bumili ako guys ng dalawang tocino. So ayan lang yung nabili namin guys. Konti lang yung binili namin kasi wala kaming listahan, no. Galing kaming Sydney, tapos nagdiretso kami sa Asian store, tapos may kalapit kasi na grocery din. So, yun lang yung naalala namin. Pero, marami pa din kaming nakakalimutan. So, ayun. So, yan guys. Ito ang ating nabili. Ayan. Blood. For tocino. Ayan. That one. Eggs and that one. That's all guys. And shout out to Noraisa Apidol. Naka-video ako guys. And yun. So yun na guys. I'll see you later. Hi guys. Ayan. So andito na kami sa bahay guys. And yun na yun ang ating video today. And salamat po sa panunod guys. And ayan, sa mga bago po dyan. Ayan, my name is Lynn guys. And ayan, so ayan. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell as well. And para updated po tayo sa mga bago nating upload. Thank you guys. Bye!
And just levitate.